This sucks.
Okay. Go.
Go what?
Eat
Gotta
the
do it all at
cinnamon.
once. Not just bite
All
by
at
bite.
once.
Just cinnamon.
I know, right? Here we go. Love you.
Love you too.
This sucks.
No, you can't dump it.
No. No.
You really did it. Oh my god.
Ah! This sucks.
Talk.
You fucking did it.
Talk, Grandpa.
Mm.
Talk. Talk, Grandpa.
He doesn't need a coffee. He drank it. He ate it. And he drank it.
You still got some left.
Give me
don't
a
you?
beer.
You didn't eat all.
Give me a beer, please.
You got a little bit left.
You got a little bit.
No. I'll give you a beer if you just eat that all at once.
He needs
Give me
another
a beer.
He needs a chaser.
You can't taste it.
It's gonna be
That's cheating.
easy, yeah. Do it.
This is nasty.
Do it.
Give me a
Oh,
beer.
that's a freaking beer.
No, that's what they're cheating.
Give it to him and then you gotta wait 5 seconds after you eat it.
Yeah, eat it and then wait 5 seconds. Here, I'll open your beer for you. Alright, so go ahead, and then I'll give you a beer.
You can't drink it right after.
No! Can I cheat again?
I'll let him cheat. No.
Swallow it.
Oh! I'm gonna cheat!
This is nasty, man. Stop it.
Let him drink his beer!
Stop it. Oh my God. That's some nasty ass shit.
He really did it. That's crazy. Good job, Dad. I love you. Oh my God. Look, he's ready for some more. You want some more?
He's just making sure there ain't no more in there.
Oh, shit.
Let me see your spoon, Grandpa.
Stop.
He's gonna keep eating it.
Can't drink. Can't drink.
Give me that, man. This shit sucks.
No! You're going to cough, not spit. Cough! It's gone.
This just sucks, man.
Can I try?
That's really fucked up, man.
You won the prize! Dad, can I try it?
Oh,
Dad, feeling sometimes you can die. Dad, can I try it? I wanna...
This sucks, man.